Hey Internet, today's lesson is how to add a material, and we'll cover the evaluate mass properties and measure tools as well. So what you do is you go to this panel and then you go to materials, right click, edit material, and just add a material that you want, and now it becomes the material that you've chosen. And if we go to the evaluate section, mass properties, it'll show you the mass of your chosen material, which is AISI 1020. That's steel. So it'll give you the volume, surface area, mass, and density. Alright, and measure. So a measure is a good way to check your distances. So that's from the origin. Yep, there we go. So that's 104.67 millimeters. Alright, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Be sure to like, subscribe, share with your friends, ring the bell, and comment if you got any questions. Until next time, see ya.